week.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the business tip of the week. And this week, I want to talk about a product that you should be using. It's a slept-on product. People sleep on it. People sleep on this product. It's called the Westcott Eyelighter, and it's used often for photography, for headshots. It's a nice curved shot that illuminates the bottom of your face, and it just does something to your images that look great. It's great for photography, especially flash photography. But you know what else it's great for? It's great for videos. When you're shooting a video and you're shooting an interview and you got a close up and it's a headshot and it's a tight shot, put that highlighter down in front of them so it'll illuminate the shot and works a lot better. And it's something little you can do. It's a fairly inexpensive product that you can put in a room that just has a lot of natural light and you'll still see a difference. But it's something that just makes your stuff pop. People don't know what you did, how you got there, but it's a little device that makes your stuff pop. If you don't have that, you can probably cheat it with one of those visors that you use in your car to reflect sun, though those are a little bit harder to control. With the highlighter, it's just a smooth finish that happens to wrap around your subject, and it looks so good. People are not using it for video, but I use it often for video. I'm not using it now, but I use it with clients all the time, and it makes a huge difference on creating just a higher production value and helping my interview shots look so much better. It just sets them apart from the other guys. And, you know, often we work with clients who may hire companies in different areas to film different people. If they're a larger company like GM, and every time they see our video and they're like, wow, we're just blown away. In fact, we're going to send your company to go do all of them next time. We're not going to hire different companies because you guys killed it. And it's little stuff like that that sets you apart. And you get clients for life just by having that little bit of extra production value. That little $200, $300 piece of equipment has just made you another $70,000 throughout your lifetime. So little things like that, it's little secrets nobody telling you that I'm telling you. All right, guys, if you learned anything from this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when we drop new content. And, you know, business tips of the week, we're trying to drop every single Monday. So, all right, guys, I will see you guys next video. And talk to me in those comments. Tell me what you think. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it.